大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，今日會係第一個呢就係 S4 Exercise 8E Question 13. Chris bought a certain number of tropical fish for $1,200. After 1 week, 5 fish died. Chris then sold the remaining fish each at $8 more than the original cost per fish. He had no gain or loss. Find the number of fish that Chris bought. 題目就講到啦，就有1,200蚊買 X 咁多條魚，咁每條魚嘅價錢呢就會係1,200除以 X 嘅，得唔得？如果你覺得個 X 頂唔順呢，你要求其揾個 number 落去試咗先。就譬如話買咗100條魚嘅，每條魚咪12蚊咯，咁咪1,200除以100。OK， 攞咗呢個感覺，咁我哋呢就會有啦。原本就係個 total amount 呢就係1,200啦。OK， 咁除翻 X 咁多條魚呢，就知道每條魚嘅價格。好啦，咁我哋後尾係死咗5條魚噶嘛，咁個數量就當然轉咗啦，就係 X 減5啦。OK，咁你如果嘅魚少咗嘅話呢，價錢一定會升嘅，得唔得？所以我就話啦，新嗰個價錢呢，一定係大過原有嗰個價錢嘅。OK，咁你話唔係好掂喎，搞唔掂，咁你最簡單用個10啦。OK。1,200蚊買10條魚，一條咪82咯，得唔得？咁你10減咗5㗎，5條魚就1,200蚊，一條魚就240，咁當然就係升咗啦。而家唔係要計不等式喎，要計等式喎，因為你要計到 X 啊嘛。OK， 你計個範圍冇用㗎。咁爭幾多啊？爭8蚊咯，咪將個8加落去細啲嗰個數值嗰度咯。OK，咁你先可以令到成件事係冇蝕錢㗎嘛。下一步點做呢？簡單地乘2個分母啦，你要搞掂2個分母嘅話，當你拉翻直條式嘅時候呢，我都冇乜特別嘢好講㗎啦。咁計到去最尾呢個 general form 呢，就係擺 x 2次減 40x 減6000等於0嘅。咁有同學話：哇，我不如約走咗8梗係得啦，不過我就拍機就算㗎啦。咁就嗰個負數值點解 reject 呢？你而家買緊幾多條魚啊嘛？負數值係冇意思嘅，所以就 reject 咗佢。最後答案啦 ，the number of fish bought equal 30。OK， 咁就係最後答案啦。好多謝大家，拜拜。